Hey there, it's Ripley. Super early in the morning. It's quarter after 7 a.m. Sun's up. I would love to go back to sleep right now, but instead, I'm making content. Now I'm a content creator. I guess this is the life, right? What I like to do during the session is first turn on my captions. All right, I've enabled closed captioning. All right, so yeah, what I'd like to do today is create like a wheel picker. So what I want to do is I have a project I'm working on where I'm drawing a bunch of different cards, and each card has a different style to it. And really it's a tarot deck, drawing a tarot deck. And I have a certain number of cards that I have not drawn yet. What I'd like to do is gather that list of cards that I need to draw and put it on like a spinning board. And then I'll spin the board and then the wheel picker will choose randomly which card from the list that I should draw next. Should be fun. I have not done one of these before. There's plenty of internet tools. I've seen them on other streamer channels. I, yeah, it should not be hard to do. So that's what we're going to make today. I have the list already. I just need to create the spinning wheel and see how that goes. And then later today, not now, I definitely need a nap. Later today, I'll do a live stream on Twitch and I'll draw the card live, like as it picks it. And if people hanging out, like maybe you can choose a card too without us using the wheel. And or maybe I'll reach out to other networks and see like what they say. Like maybe I'll post on Twitter like what people want me to draw next, and then I'll draw that. But during that session, I think I only want to do maybe 3 or 4 cards because sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it's easy and I get one done in a couple minutes, like within 5 to 10 minutes tops. Sometimes I have to think about it and it'll take me maybe even up to 20 minutes to draw a card. Um, yeah, enough talking. Let me get to screen sharing and working on it. Obviously, this is recorded now on Zoom, and I'll do a post thing and I'll edit everything later. But that's the life, right? We're making content. Okay, so here are cards that need doodles. I have 10 of cups, 2 of wands, 3 of cups, 3 of pentacles, all different cards. I have some major arcana ones as well. But let's see. Oh, this is kind of hard to count. How would I count this? I have no idea how I count this. It's so funny. I don't know how to count it. Oh, count A. Here we go. 37. It's 37 cards. I think I need way more cards than this. I think this list is incomplete. But you know what? For this list, this is enough. This is a good amount. Just in case we can't see. This is a good amount. Yeah, these are definitely cards that I have not drawn before. All right, a little research, and I found a color picker that works pretty well. So this was a wheel of fortune that I found. Not sure if I could change the name of that. I should let's see, is captions on. Cool. So I like this. Let's see, computers, your computer sound. It spins. It's very colorful. When it lands on something, ta-da. Okay. So let's you modify the wheel. It's just wheeldecide.com. They have different wheels to choose from, but I like the wheel that I was working with. And yeah. So instead of changing these individually, I could paste a list. So we'll take our list here, which I copied, and then I pasted into here. So I could just need it to be on a separate line. And then I just do that. Hopefully configure the rest. Okay, we want to replace the choices. So all the current choices will be removed, replaced by the new list. Let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. We have all of our items in here. Yep, that's correct. And maybe we'll add a couple more. Do a spin again. Or random doodle. And get rid of that. Okay, that feels like a good amount. And then doodles to do. My keyboard's janky, so that's why that keeps happening. Check the extra options, light colors, 8 seconds. The timing was all right. Remove choice after is landed on. I think that would be really good to have. So let's go ahead and apply these changes. Look at that. Doodles to do. And let's give it a go. Again, I'm not gonna draw right now, but I'm gonna try it out, and I'll go ahead and do a test for whatever it lands on, but I'll do the full exercise later. All right, 5 of Pentacles. That will be the next one I draw. And catch you later.